Hello guys! Today we are going to study the verb to be. Yes! The verb to be changes according to the pronoun. We have here I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they, personal pronouns. And they are going to match with the forms of the verb to be. I am, you are, he, she, it is, we, you, they are. So, the verb to be has three forms in the present. With it, I can say things like, hi, I am a teacher. I am. You are a student. You are. I can't say you is. You are. He is my friend. She's my mother. It is a bike. He is. She is. It is. Is. We are friends. We are. They are kids. They are. And how about the negatives? Well, we basically have to write not after the verb. And we have the short forms, isn't and aren't. Look. My sister isn't good at sports. Isn't. They aren't funny. Aren't. Questions. How to make questions? Okay, let's see. Am I a teacher? Am I? Did you notice any difference? Huh? Okay, let's see it again. Look at this picture. Is it an elephant? Is it? Again, one more time. Are they friends? Are they? Well, look at this sentence. They are friends. This sentence is affirmative. But if we move the verb to be, are, before the pronoun, look what happens. Are they friends? We have a question. Okay, if you understood, help me to answer this question here. Complete the sentence. I good at sports. We have three options. What's the correct sentence? Okay. The correct option is I am. I am. I'm good at sports. He, she, it, good at sports. I am, is, or are. Can you help me? Yes, he, she, it is good at sports. One more sentence. You, we, they, good at English. Three options again. Can you help me? Yes, you, we, they are. You, we, they are good at English. Okay? Did you finally understand the verb to be? Good. So, subscribe the video, like it, and we see each other again in the future. Goodbye.